Your bounce it, biggity bop, 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 work your upper upper. You mix it when you clap it when you bounce your upper upper. Your bounce it, biggity bop, 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 work your upper upper. You mix it when you clap it when you bounce your upper upper. Shake, 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 shake.
Hey y'all, it's me, Malibu Darby. Welcome to my channel. If it's not your first time watching, welcome back. If it's your first time watching, I don't always look this crazy, but I look like what I've been through today because it is wash day. I'm in the middle of wash day. You already know how that is. I'm about to blow dry my hair, and I thought, let me record this because I want to review this product, whether it's good or bad. So today I'm going to be testing and reviewing the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. You may or may not have seen this. It is a blow dryer that looks like a paddle brush. Now, when I first saw this, I will admit, my immediate thoughts were, that's not for black people. But then the girls started doing reviews and they started raving about this blow dryer, saying that it took them much less time. Like on Amazon, I purchased mine off Amazon. I got the mostly black one, which is $33.99. They have a pink one that I believe is $39.99. I will link the Amazon link in my description box. But literally, there are so many reviews like, listen up, True 4C girls. This deserves more than a 5-star review. I was able to blow dry my hair on the cool setting in 20 minutes. That's one. So, like, people are raving about it. And these are like black girls. These are 4C. I don't believe in the letters and numbers. I think that's our marketing ploy. But I do have thick hair, and it takes me a very long time. My arms start hurting. My shoulders start hurting. So anything that can shorten it, I'm down. So I have washed, conditioned, leave-in, everything like that, my hair. I still got to detangle a little bit, but I put it in 4 sections. And we're going to test this out. The girls are saying it's taking them 20 minutes to blow dry their hair. So this has, let me give y'all the specs on it. It has detangling bristles, so it literally looks like a paddle brush, but it blows out heat like a blow dryer. It is actually very lightweight. On the bottom here, see, it just has off, cool, low, and high. So no like really super intricate setting, just off, cool, low, and high. And the cord is maneuverable, so they did make a note of that. So I'm going to plug this in. We're going to hit this first section of hair, and let's see how this goes. I got somewhere to be tomorrow, so I hope this works. Okay, so I am going to start with this bottom section. Again, I told you I've washed and kind of finger combed, but I didn't detangle. I'm going to use the mane and tail detangler spray. I use really basic products on my hair. And I'm going to use this easy detangler brush. I did a video on this a while ago. And I actually do like it for the most part for detangling. Let me try to actually detangle this section just to give this blow dryer a decent shot and not have to kind of get through all my hair. Okay, I think I did a decent job at detangling that section. Y'all know I'm the worst at doing my hair. I sprayed some heat protectant on it just because I don't know what this heat is about to be given. The reviews also said this is super loud, so I will probably fast forward whatever is about to happen next. Let's try it out. Okay. I'm going to put it on high because I want to see what this can do. Okay, I'm going to do the front, and I'm going to do it in a smaller section because I want to give this thing a fair chance. So I'm going to do the front. This is still a little damp, so I'm going to run through this, then I'm going to do the front, and then I'm going to give y'all my full review on this. I'm going to keep going. I don't want to give too much of a review before I really do my whole head because I have some thoughts already. So let's just do the rest of the hair. On the beat. Okay, so first of all, I have so much conditioner and oil on my hands. I got my pros and my cons for this blow dryer. First, my pros. Like I said, I love how you can hold this. Part of the biggest issue I have with blow drying my hair is the comfort or the discomfort. Being able to, like y'all saw, like brush it up. I was able to get it in this bun without any brush or comb, just like using this. Being able to go like this. Being able to go to the middle. Basically being able to hold it like a brush for me made it a lot easier. These also do make a difference. I felt like I could detangle a little less. I hate detangling. I felt like I could detangle a little less because these actually did assist with getting through my hair and detangling. I think that's my main pros, is the way that you hold it and the detangling combs. Cons, this gets very hot. So like if you hold it here, it's very hot. When it starts to get very hot, you got to make sure you hold it low. Hold it here. This isn't necessarily a con, but it's not like an added benefit. I don't feel like it did much as far as the straightening. I feel like it dried my hair, but I feel like with my other handheld dryer that has a comb on it, I felt like it maybe gets a little bit straighter than this. And this is loud. I mean, it's a blow dryer, so that's kind of to be expected. But all in all, for $34, I actually do like this. I think when I blow dry my hair from now on, I will reach for this instead of my more conventional handheld blow dryers. It definitely did speed up my time. It normally takes me a lot longer with the other blow dryer because I have to keep stopping, or I'm trying to like hold it like this, or it's just all kind of stuff. So I definitely felt like this went faster. It's just a lot easier to maneuver. I think honestly, I don't think the heat is more extreme than the others or anything like that. I really think it's the way you can hold it and the amount of teeth that it has that helps dry it faster. Now, a girl talking about 20 minutes on cool, she might have been dragging it. But I do feel like I was able to get my hair in a bun and dry much faster than normal. My shoulders don't hurt, my arms don't hurt. So yeah, this is not sponsored at all. I literally just saw the girls on TikTok and Instagram and stuff doing reels of this and reading the Amazon reviews, and people were raving about it, and it just did not look like a product that was gonna work for my hair. So I wanted to try it. And you're probably watching this because you're natural and you're trying to figure out if you want to buy this. I'm gonna say buy it, because I'm not good at doing my hair and I have very thick hair, and I got my hair up in this bun relatively fast. I mean, once I eco style it and like swoop the edges, it's gonna be cute, but to even get it this manageable that fast, it's a yes for me. So that is my review on the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. I will link it in the description box below. Let me know if you guys have tried this product or if you have anything similar that you feel like works just the same. Maybe it's a little cheaper, who knows. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.